Assalamualaikum, hello, my name is Muhammad Izdir Fran. So this is our abstract. The present chair design had a few drawbacks that influence the user ergonomic and safety of factor. Because there is no adjustable forearm rests, the user will have tense shoulder and neck. The implementation of ergonomic is crucial. To assure health and safety, an ergonomic component must be included in the design. In order to guarantee that employees are safe and productive, ergonomic design is defined as the application of this knowledge to design of the workplace, which include job tasks, tools, and surroundings. Additionally, ergonomic primary objective is to reduce pain and the chance of suffering and occupational injury. This project is to improve the UTHM Student Residential College existing share design and to analyze the stress, load and draw using finite element analysis FEA in SolidWorks. The design was sketched in 2D and then using Wellman function and choose the structure member to apply the standard of the material and size of the material. The new design has more strength because has bigger shear stress compared to the original design. The safety and health of students are important, so the chair need to change or improve its design for the student to have a safe learning environment. Thank you.
Selamat sejahtera, Doktor. A quick review untuk projek group saya nak buat. Jadi kita orang nak buat satu improvement dari segi design ke atas kerusi yang dekat Kolej Kediaman Pelajar UTHM. So the reason why kenapa kita orang nak buat design improvement untuk kerusi ni, satu adalah sebab dia tidak ergonomik. Bila dia tidak ergonomik, dia tidak safety. And then kedua, jadi senang untuk student rasa tidak selesa lah, tak comfortable untuk dia buat kerja. Bila dia tak comfortable, jadi dia tidak efektif untuk menyiapkan kerja-kerja yang dia nak buat lah. Contoh assignment, projek apa semua. Sebab kerusi yang sedia ada dekat KTP, dari segi design dia adalah seperti yang tertera pada dua gambar rajah di atas lah, di tepi ni. Jadi kalau kita lihat di bahagian bawah, iaitu kaki dia straight ke bawah, bermaksud dia punya kelebaran buka kaki tu terlalu kecil. Jadi bila kita nak stretch, let's say if kita dah duduk lama, jadi and then saya sakit belakang otot, jadi kita nak stretch. Bila kita stretch ke belakang, jadi dia senang untuk rasa nak terjatuh ke belakang, macam tu. Jadi yang kedua, satu lagi, kalau kita lihat design ni, dia tak ada armrest. Armrest ni bertujuan, kenapa kita perlu ada armrest? Bila kita melakukan kerja-kerja typing, jadi senang lengur lah bahu, sebab kita just force bahu ni untuk stay static while kita tengah typing. Jadi bila sejam 2 jam kita typing, senang penat lah. Jadi bila penat, bahagian bahu, tengkuk pun sakit, jadi tak selesa. Itu yang menyebabkan kita tak selesa. And then sebabkan dua faktor tu, kita orang nak eliminate ataupun reduce. Jadi kita kena implement satu faktor ergonomik dalam design. Kedua, objektif projek ni adalah untuk redesign, to improve the current design of the study chair at the UTHM Student Residential College lah, yang utama. Jadi untuk kita buat improvement dari segi design, and then kita nak tahu berapa tahap safety factor dia adalah, adakah dia mencapai tahap yang kita nak, compare to the current design. Jadi kita nak design yang kita improve ni nanti, safety factor dia lebih tinggi. Yang itu pertama. Kedua, and then dia punya tahap ketahanan stres tu dia lebih better lah compared to the original one. Jadi untuk buat ni kita analyze the stress load dan kita lukis guna SolidWorks, dan dalam pada masa yang sama lepas kita buat benda kerja-kerja melukis, proses design tu semua, kita buat simulasi untuk tahu adakah improvement dari segi design ini according to the standard dalam SolidWorks tu sendiri mencapai apa yang kita nak. Dia selamat, ergonomik, dan pada masa yang sama dia boleh diguna dalam jangka masa yang panjang. Dia tak senang rosak lah. Okey, sekian itu saja daripada saya. Terima kasih.
Hello and a very special good day to our lecturer. Okay, today I'm going to present for chapter 3 of methodology. Okay, in this chapter we will focus on the material and the method that we use in implement of the penetrant element analysis in our study on the J-frames. This program will involve the material of frame J, design of the J, and the improvement that we selected on the J. In other hands, the method that we use in this analysis is a stick analysis on the bit. At the end of the study, students were able to understand of the FEA in a SolidWorks software. Okay, here is the flowchart of the material and method. We're going to start with sketch the model using SolidWorks 2021, sketch the design in 2D, okay, and add in element function in the SolidWorks software. Okay, open the element function and choose the structure membrane to apply the standard of the material and the size of the material. Okay, this is the structure membrane. We're using an ISO standard. Type is square tube. Size is 20 multiply 20 multiply 2, and we going to use in group 4. Okay. Okay, this is the sketching design. The original frame is, okay, we can see from the left view, top view, front view. Okay, at the bottom is the new frame design. We can see the view from the left view, top view, and the front view. Okay, this is the structure membrane for the original J-frame. Okay, as we mentioned just now, we're going to use a standard ISO. Type is square tube. The size is 20 multiply 20 multiply 2. Okay, here is how we construct the group of the J frame. Okay, from group 1, from the front leg. Okay, group 2 is cover the frame at the back frame. Group 3 is cover the middle frame, and group 4 is the top on the flat frame. Okay, this is the structure member of new J frame. Okay, the standard is we using the standard member as the original frame. Okay, here we can see there was in 7 group that will involve, and group 1 is involve the handle, group 2 involve the back frame, group 3 is apply the front frame, group 4 is the middle frame, group 5 is the joint, group 6 is the joint at the back frame, and the group 7 is the top middle joint. Okay, here we're going to see the selection point for the force. Okay, the original frame will involve the 5 point. It was from the top frame. We're going to choose point 1, 2, and 8. Okay, back frame is point 3 and 7. Okay, for the new frame, we selected into 3 different parts. It was top frame is point 1 and 2. Okay, back frame is 3 and 4, and the frame frame leg joint is 9 and 8, and handle frame is 5 and 6. Okay, this is the simulation of the original frame with reason and material is alloy steel. We selected 4 middle point for the legs frame as a fixed geometry. Okay, here is the selection of the point for the process now. 2000 apply on the top frame section of the beam method. Okay, 4000 Newton apply on the point 1, 2 and 8 with selection point. Okay, and 1000 Newton I apply on the 3 and 7 point as selection point. Okay, after we finish the selection point just now, we apply the mass on the frame and run the simulation. Okay, this is the last process that will be simulation process on the new design shape. As we mentioned just now, we're going to use an alloy steel selection 4 point middle point of the leg frame is geometry, fixed geometry. Okay, we will select that. Okay, 4 type of force on the point just now for the new frame that will involve 2000 Newton apply on the frame selection, top frame selection of the beam method. Okay, 4000 apply on the point 1 and 2 with selection point method. 1000 Newton apply on the point 3 and 4. Okay, okay, and the last is apply load 1000 Newton on the point 5, 6, 9 and 10. Okay, the last is apply the mesh on the frame and run the simulation. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Aldris. So I'm going to present on our result. This is our design of chair in University Tunusen on Pago in our college. So as you can see here, this is our stress FEA calculation from SolidWorks. So there is a value change in the new design chair than its original. It is more it is decreased than the original design in the stress calculation. Next, we go to shear moment. As you can see, the value of shear in the new design is increased than the original design. So the bigger the shear, the more strength it is in our new design chair. Lastly, this is our bending moment. As you can see, the value also increased in original design rather than the old design. So it is achieve what we want in our calculation. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jason Gallo William, and today I would like to present the conclusion and recommendation of our project. So, in conclusion, the objectives of this study has been achieved. We are able to redesign the current design of the study chair at the UTHM Student Residential College. The current design of the chair needs to be redesigned due to its lack of safety properties. Secondly, we are able to analyze the stress, load, and draw using finite element analysis, also known as FEA in SolidWorks software. So by using SolidWorks software, we are able to run a simulation to analyze the stress and determine the safety factor of the new design. Also, we are able to use finite element analysis (FEA) to understand the behavior of the part under given conditions and to identify possible issues in a design, such as tension points and weak places. So, moving on to the recommendations. So, there are a few recommendations that can be made after analyzing the results obtained from the simulation of the study. So firstly, the chair that was being studied needs redesign, such as modification, adding a stretcher. So when adding a stretcher, it is more likely that the chair is capable to withstand heavy loads, Besides, the chair material also needs to be changed to aluminum alloy, because aluminum alloy is the best choice for the chair's material due to its lightweight and strong material properties. And then the size of the front leg and rear legs of the chair needs to be enlarged, so that it can enhance the stability of the chair. And last but not least is, in terms of ergonomics, is by adding support on the backrest of the chair. So when adding support on the backrest, it follows the shape of the low back of the users. So this will give comfort to the users. That's all from me. Thank you.